Hello, it's Stu Sensei here to hit you up with another great English phrase, and today's is bonkers. Bonkers. So bonkers means crazy. Crazy, okay? Bonkers means crazy. So let's chuck this straight into an example for you. Say an English teacher has told you that in one sitting they are going to eat 30 bananas. Surely that is not possible, right? So you can say to them, once they've told you that, you can say, man, you are bonkers. That's not possible. Okay, bonkers means crazy. You think the idea of them eating 30 bananas in one sitting is crazy. So you're saying, man, you are bonkers. Okay, hopefully this phrase was very useful to you. I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao.